So friends, if you are using SBI card application and if you want to know how to download credit card statement using this particular app, then this is the video for you. I'm going to guide you through each and every step, but before that, if you're new to the channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Let's start the video. Now the very first thing you have to do is just simply open SBI card application in your mobile phone and complete the login process. It doesn't matter if you're using an iPhone or an Android phone, the process is going to be same. Now, once the application is completely started, this is the kind of basic interface you will be able to see on your mobile screen. At the top, you can check out your name, you can check out limit utilized, and on homepage itself, you get an option of view statement details. So if you want to check out the statement, you can select this particular option and it will take you to statement overview page. This is one way to get to this page. Other way is if you go back on homepage itself, if you are not able to see view statement details, then you can simply select account details option, and then on the next page select card statement, which will again take you to statement overview page. Now if you want to check out current statement, tap on view statement option over here and then you can check out your current statement. And if you want to download this statement, you have download statement option over here, as well as if you go back, you get an option to download over here as well. Now this is for current statement. Suppose if you want to download credit card statement for previous month or a month before that, then in that case you can simply select calendar option over here and then you can choose a specific month for which you want to download the statement. Now in my case, if I want to download statement for June, I'm going to select June and then tap on select option. Now you can see there is change over here. If I want to view the statement, I will tap on view statement and it will show me June statement over here. Now if I want to download it, again I can select download statement option here, or else I can select download option over here. Now if I tap on download, what it will do is in iPhone, it will give me a pop-up screen like this. So if you're using an iPhone, you can save the PDF file to files. So tap on save to files option and over here you can save the PDF file, right? If you're using an Android phone, you can choose file manager where you can save that PDF file. Now once you download the statement, you can simply go to that desired folder where you have downloaded the file and you can directly open it. So this is the statement for June which I have downloaded just now. So yeah, this is how simple it is to download credit card statement in SBI card application. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I will see you all in the next one. Thank you.